Hello and welcome back everyone to this new guide video of 1-2-step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin my AI bot on Snapchat. My AI is the newest feature that has been made available to the public using Snapchat. Previously, it was only available for the Snapchat Plus users. And the feature of pinning and unpinning the AI chatbot is now only available for the Snapchat Plus users as well. If you don't use or don't have the Snapchat Plus, you won't be able to unpin or pin the AI chatbot. For the people who have that feature, you can just tap and hold the chat of my AI, and then you can just tap on chat settings, and here you'll have an option called pin or unpin for conversation, and you can also clear the conversation with the chatbot. The only thing the people who don't have the Snapchat Plus can do is only clear the conversation that you have or that you had with the AI chatbot by tapping on the Bitmoji on the top left, tapping on the settings on the top right, and if you scroll down under account actions, you can tap on clear my AI data, tap on confirm, and all of the conversations that you had with the AI chatbot will be removed. But as of now, there is no option of pinning or unpinning the AI chatbot for the free users of Snapchat. So that was the video on how to pin or unpin my AI bot on Snapchat. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.